things happens, but don't let them keep you down. We are going to Takwa not to disgrace ourselves. My boys has promised to fight back. Coach Prince Owusu on the Sunday's game against Mediama.
It's going to be a very tough game, so we are preparing very well, trying to put things in place. We're coming back from our loss against the Chamates. We're trying to get ourselves back in shape and then go and face them up. I think they have a very good team, so we also don't want to go there and disgrace ourselves. Make sure we go there to win the game as well. In life, things happen. When it happens, you don't have to let it keep you down, as your question goes. I've spoke to them. We had a meeting yesterday about it, and then boys are ready to fight back and make sure they bring some life into their supporters.
Tama, midway area. After months of intense lobbying, big rumor says Kotoko board has settled on bringing Nana Amponsan back. Announcement to be made next week. After months of big intensive lobbying.
On whose part?
On the part of many people.
Okay.
Tamana, interestingly, people that are supposed or are said to be close to Nanayao from NRA there, social media platforms in there, or more, if you see, are very active, or more post to normal different things. Ninjinano, lead to the rumor and speculations now. And for what we are hearing there, the board will make the announcement next week.
There are two questions. Do we trust this source very well? With me, afa wasem no boni be kere de waka ni na ebet ma fa hook, line and sinker. And as one of those speculative stories to whet our appetite.
I'll go for the letter.
And I say someone who in a swat with the danger in his voice.
I'll go for the letter. That's speculative.
Yes, so you pay free everything with the didn't come up.
Tama, may use various sources.
No kaboom.
And o connect here now we link na yeah. Because one of the sources in Kakachem says about 90% done. Oh, of course, yeah. In fact, Omuche said, Bibi Kitwe be and the mint me canon. Ebiaka some major on Chakra Meton Bekanch.
Okay.
And now my Ebi Krana announcement, next week, hoping say Papa Hobetona Bibia okay now afi let me lead to the announcement.
Nah. One more source is Oma Boru and Amanye. Ama Wadiatu.
Who
is the man, the young man interested in the job?
In fact, one of the sources are and pay me ne kasae. I catch me say, na say ni birthday crown. Young man, friend, no need the every share no need incomo. And
my birthday,
the source in the birthday.
Oh, okay.
Young man, a friend, and the young man you are referring to, a friend, I'm a moody incomo. Emma, this topic eba up. Emma, young man, catching so initially a buyer. Emma, omo, I say, yeah, I say discarded kakra, but that source no. I was a young man, a friend, more always in the bed from the catcher. Me say, assign baby more. The board looked around and eventually, they had to go back and speak to the gentleman. Monday at the stadium, will be approaching me, and that person told me, said, "On crowd, what he said is done." But me the to hold on because now me pese me ye. But no, you ready na buy no na more stronger. And now fe no, year bond the two sui. Wa right up now, man. Carbon patch, scabit mama right up na ba. And also so bad no you mu any other ones are me reading around no. And I'm starting say meaning of food in community.
Okay.
Yeah, indeed. But right up on my was what page why aha this is yeah. Nti time pacho say una wo na trauma nkofo esua kotro the past exams. Anti pacho
Elevated for
and the hwe na JHS nye no ane ayi no.
The Kotoko CEO position will go to a respected servant who has left a solid track record in the club.
Thank you, full stop.
No cosmetics, no swindles, just pure organic stewardship. And who wrote this?
And this gentleman, I'm told, or did the name Kwaku Nebaye, but I'm told, say, we're a very strong associate of the young man you are talking about.
Okay. Thank you. There are a lot of questions, but but I say in the last 3-4 minutes, I will start a story. Obi was studio 7 times. 7 times. 7 times. One of the guys in the studio,
Bakusu did them. Bakusu did them.
As almost down.
Men too no myself. Who said Tama?
As me, the me only just almost new story.
Dabi
because it's speculative.
Okay.
Me
And to the old nini.
me.
Se kobasa sama unu ya panyini aka. What to need speculative. E kobasa bemu a ode ne kasen.
And the first time I made out no as my be my bum.
There's a specific question. Because wa ye juma papa. Wa ye juma papa.
On promise
When you say Hariampa ene my friend of Martin, you point busy. Send I do no way. It's say, oh, the bum one.
Okay.
Obey the day.
Me oh no, SM.
I don't met me at all.
5 boxes.
I don't met you at all. Boss to say, I was supposed to say promise 10,000 Ghana.
The idea man and I did go travel.
Oh, so
So who would you
generally do to found that.
May go back to on the 6th of this month. There was this story, and I personally listened to the man or cancer to me. I'm not the cancer.
6th April.
6th of April.
On
News File.
And I Tuesday.
On News File.
And I 10.
I don't know News File.
News File is Saturday.
That means 4th.
That was right 4th.
Be a kind of.
Me
Any
that was it.
The Easter Saturday omu news for.
Yeah.
From the down we one.
That was it.
Last week, my name said Jibo Bakaya. There was this discussion about near here Emma Highway Sports Kotoko PRO Safuduku was called on whether a more contact with CHB have been extended or not. Okay, I had discussion. Now I get this from my source inside at the club. Say, Jibo, they have extended the contract about 2 years.
Contract of wine.
Kotoko and THB.
Okay.
Also, the initial that day, I wasn't sure. And I remember and say negotiations are going on.
Okay.
On a highway, Jibo also put the question to the PRO. I don't say he's not aware of any contract extension.
But now also. Now your source says that.
Yes, inside that Omar extending it by 2 years.
Okay.
The only year I'm say Omo that Omo making the public for me time. Omo can say season no be an Omo nam no at appropriate time. They will make that so now the question now comes to if that has been done, what happens to future AEBA after when you call IMC are going, board are coming, you say administration there continues. Now what if the new administration comes and says no, we are not interested in them sponsoring us?
They say Omo sponsor clubs there. Any new administration, sir. Omo Manchester.
You have to pay him.
Their relationship with THB has been fine. Now some when I contract they more it kits them well.
No, for kitchen the like I told you, just the best that you can find. You know, for 2 years now, they've signed the 2 years that they want to still continue. What will happen afterwards?
I'm sure the extension be a bar. the board might have taken part in the deliberations.
Because
when it's clear that you will not be there next season, you add today. Ceo.Set can be signing an extending contract.
No, somewhere in November last year.
Before the board came.
Extension.
And then that's fine.
So we somewhere in November last year.
They can only sit down and have a review.
Until and I'm told say yes and you now I just wanted to message about
so finally that can in a minute.
Kotoko have to now no me you see sometimes whether yes coaching you can have issues about Prince, but I think say the players themselves have to look at also mirror no show and say are they giving their best to the club and in terms of square and share and quality say anybody can have a complaint about the treatment, salary, the atmosphere that they find themselves. Kotoko. What is the problem? So what's your boys' commitment? When they are playing, now no money Karela. If you see how the Karela boys are running, the Samates are running. Now Kotoko boys say demeanor. Look at the goals they conceded. 2 goals in a similar pattern, but same pattern no. Against Samates, you see them clearing the ball. So there's a problem that I think that the future, the board coming, have to look at their recruitment very key. Because some of them comes from a background, make a background, baby, a camera on free urban. Now, a come the net on pa.
No common, because no music and no music. I will come there, will be a come dinner.
This cannot form
from Kakra.
And now, it was not a room with a 4-4-5-5.
No,
or the 4-4-5-5. But you come here, you have a big yard.
I'll cut down
with them. So it's when you now, if you leave this environment, now, do you have to relax and now they have reached a level where I'm relaxing? No.
Abby, you.
I'm just saying, Kotoko best start my youth players now games. But
that's what thank you. Maybe also I'm on Sweden birthday.
And you change so may feel say board based on the economy. There should be a revolution. Asante Kotoko. There are a lot of areas the team will need changes.
All right.
So to the mention I say because
I'm your mommy doing I'm writing news from me, but I'm mommy.
Oh, mommy.
Back or swap. Your friend Akusio Duku. And then a birthday, mammy also I mean no. And I go Christian service assistant be your lady your friend Jennifer. Nikuni police Jennifer war. And then Nikun birthday a friend no Chief Inspector Papaya or Sergey.
Chief Inspector.
Or ICT information room, Central Police Station. And one you will point that now.
And sir, you coach. Some I can say stage near do so too. But go players in baby one. Me no be am support to see any players kwan. See more monko free. Because won't me go to player and they Ghana be about 150,000 Ghana cedis. So tell me chana say. See we play we buy out me anybody bon so anybody scared the turn so. Say you do go more.
Now they should give them another.
Your friend say your friend say dogo there. Yakubu de Moro.
Dogo Yakubu. Give them 1 season and their new coach. What I say? Omo first season for no.
A bit dependent too. On say a bit dependent.
A
bit dependent the ambition of the board. Ebe transfer to management. Ebe technical team. Bia na board be omo first season person omo G League. Do be players no more. Omo players e do omo G League man ye. And that's how the G League.
Say you see, and yet there are some of them based on circumstances they go by wholesale.
And I make us say
Obu first season coach with my you be.
A bit said too. Once a year can one department out the last 3 years so your assessment. Yes, I have a lot of friends there. But here massive changes a medical team no. Since I ba so to me chana say who should players here.
Baba Adam for no.
Confano chifon.
The bad will call no one.
Almost from the bar for my home. For the Asamato. We playing body now. Suban be a players be done a D. And the ambition of the club. So to and the football you Ghana hano. Sike ko football mun nya sam ketwa wo. It is a who take decisions then for resource ma. Share the last 3 my memo example be. Kotoko 4 seasons ago. 4 seasons ago. Year na Zebu ebe coach Kotoko. Our mind me Angie League no. Zagi to Kotoko Medford that year no. Morrison, Lamte, Zeze, Bo Agadas. What the hesa players got Angie League.
Quality.
After 3 years, as I'm food the senior nephew, Hene Kotoko Medford or Momo. Chomo
Premonato, Jibo, Hebesia,
Asante Kotoko coach, I think the football one day go ha. The Ceo.Set those who cross down for no.
minimum.
No, also anymore. Ah, sir. I'm parliament no about. I'm surprised. What's that? Okay. Then it be a me borrow for be a me na koka. Okay. Go me dey you close pa. So to say and say the press now they come to the game. Hopeful. Say the players will deliver. The last time no I sell the players out. Okay. What I say? That inconsistencies in his press reports now. It is not going to help him. Say if we continue your coach.
America
well, so you hear ball no. Who said they can't do Caribbean eka? Born you hear be your coaches. Even in a time to the coach.
America for coach.
Adia, but your coach maybe. What I say? Adia hano pan or how we say a compose no cancel no. Say Ubufua, must adia how pia. So to the experienced people will catch you say it's better you keep quiet than to talk. Okay. Because that place last week and I said no to grandma. They were giving out no Bianca do country over. And then the same place is giving you that assurance with my question medium high flying, medium open league. But again, someone says another 8. It was something else to the sender who said defeat to cry back. Longer, but won't even stop it.
Football is not like that.
That's why to make us episode 2, a bassa, how you run your commentaries, how you make your comments, you know. Zack.